Hi everyone, so I have a really quick video to share with you guys today. I wanted to show you how I put together these super cute, super easy little Christmas cards. You could do these in no time at all. So what I used was I had bought these from Hobby Lobby. So they are already 3x3 cards that come with the card and the envelope. And then I had bought these little gift tags. Now I've bought this specific set from Family Dollar. I bought another set from the Purple 99, the 99 Only store, and I also bought a pack from Dollar Tree. So I used those, and all that I did was I took one of the little tags, which look like this, took it off of the packaging, cut it right on where it folds. So just right on the folded line there. And then I took a piece of paper, and I'll show you the paper pad I'm using. I'm using this one right here that I got on clearance from Hobby Lobby. So that's what the paper pad looks like. It is thick, it is huge. This is going to probably take me a couple years to use. And then what I did was I cut a square that is 2 3/4 by 2 3/4. And then just went ahead and glued it on to the card base. And then I just took that little piece that I cut off and glued it on top, and that's all that it took. That is how I made my little cards. Super fast, super easy. You can definitely do this while you are watching TV, because that's exactly what I was doing. I was watching a show with my mom, and then I thought, you know what, this is working out really fast, really cute. I know I talked about doing these in my videos when I was hauling, so I'm like, let me just go show them exactly what I was talking about. So now that you have that, and you end up with these back pieces, so there is foam tape already on these because that's how it sticks to the packaging. Don't throw these away. Definitely keep them, and then look through your stickers, look through your stash, and see if you have little ephemera pieces that would coordinate with the cards that you are making. I forgot to tell you, I did corner around this one just because I wanted to see what it looked like. So I corner around the tag itself, and then I corner around the paper, and I actually liked the square ones better. So that's why you can see all the other ones are all square, and this is the only one that I did the corners, where I rounded the corners. I was thinking about doing the background square and then just rounding the corners on the tag, so I'm going to do that as well. But I do need to go through my stash and see if I have any little stickers or any little ephemera pieces that would work well. So you can see I've just kind of kept them all right here and just kind of stacked them on top of each other, so that way I don't lose them and I could go ahead and use them to make another card. So out of one tag, you can essentially get 2 card bases for it. So with this one, I am going to add a little rhinestones and a little star to the top. And like on this one, I want to add rhinestones to this as well. You know, same thing with this one. So I'm going to just go through and then add a little bit more embellishment. Like this one has little red glitter, but I think I might go ahead and just add some rhinestones to there as well. And then for this little deer head, I did like it in gold, but then I was thinking maybe if I have a little bow small enough, I could add like a little bow up here, or maybe a tiny little snowflake or something I think would be really cute. So yeah, that is my super quick, super simple, really fast make little cards. I personally don't write a lot when I send out cards because I don't know, I'm just not creative when it's like making cards. So I was just going to go through my stash and see if I had like a little Merry Christmas that I can stamp right here, and then just write like who it's for, you know, the year, and then, you know, I was thinking I could send these out. I want to do some Happy Mail this Christmas, so I was thinking about, you know, just writing like, you know, hope you enjoy your Merry Mail, and then, you know, Nicole VagabondCrafter. So that was my little idea for these. So yeah, just simple, super cute. This came with how many tags? This was 18 tags for $1, but then like I said, when you cut it in half, that ends up doubling. So then the only thing you need is to make your own card bases or to buy these. But I did want to show you guys the envelopes so you can see what all comes. So here are your little card bases right here. So they're just regular little 3x3 cards, and then here are the little matching envelopes. So that's really nice. I mean, I know I can make this. I do have the envelope punch board, but I just figured, why not just go ahead and buy them? And then you can see they just easily slide right on in here like that. So super fast, super simple. You guys know me, I love cute, I love fast crafting, and this was just definitely one of those that I was doing, and I just thought I would share with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you make some of these, let me know. I would love to know if you guys actually enjoy these little videos or not, because I know I mostly do a bunch of shopping, but I'm always curious to know what you guys enjoy seeing. If you guys ever have any recommendations on a video you want me to make, just go ahead and leave a comment down below and I could do that as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and we'll see you later. Bye guys.